Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute candy stripe tumbler using one of my designer boxes. The November boxes are now available on my site. They are a totally different theme, so you won't get this one. All these products are available on my shop though, so I will link those down in the description. Stick around. I'm going to show you what comes in the craft makers box. That's the best bang for your buck, and it has a bunch of craft goodies. The Craft Makers box also comes with a keychain. This one's already decorated, obviously. And it also comes with a pen. These are all blank for you to decorate, a coordinating pen topper, and then you also get a snow globe pen to decorate as well. So when you are purchasing my boxes, make sure you pick the correct one you would like to buy. Today we're going to be working with the diamond double-sided semi-transparent sheet. They go on a tumbler and they are semi-transparent white, but when you put it on, it looks like kind of a dark gray. So this is better for darker colors or black or grays. And we're going to cut our template out on the diamond double-sided, and we're going to cut it out on our pattern vinyl as well. I'm going to take a razor blade, and I just like to lay the razor blade right in the outside cut line and remove the excess of the diamond double-sided tape. We're going to be using the glitters from the October designer box. We have Candy Cane, we have Vintage Christmas, and then we have Minty. My November boxes just released yesterday, and I have a few left if you would like to go grab them. Make sure you read the description on both boxes because I have two options available. The designer box, which comes with the 2 vinyl sheets and the 3 glitters, and the Craft Makers box comes with a bunch of other crafting goodies. I'm going to remove the section of the template that I want to apply to my double-sided tape, and I'm going to remove that same section on the diamond double-sided as well. I placed the pattern vinyl on a piece of parchment paper so I can line this up without it sticking, and then once it's lined up, we're going to fold back that parchment paper and just tack it down, and then we're going to remove the backing of the parchment paper like you would the backing of vinyl. We are using the twisted template from my shop. I will link it down in the description along with all the products that I used. We're going to do the same thing on the other side, applying that candy cane vinyl. I like to apply just all my flat surfaces on my template, and then I like to put it on my tumbler. I feel like it's just easier to apply the glitter on the tumbler. So if you're going to add anything like micas or vinyl or foils, I like to do that first. And then I'm going to apply the template to my tumbler. I do that by just taking the backing and folding it back about a half an inch or so, lining it up on my tumbler, and then taking that fold, folding it back again, and then tacking that down. Once that is tacked down, we're going to continue removing the backing on our tumbler and apply the rest of the template. I just like to push it on with my fingers, but if you are more comfortable using a vinyl squeegee, you can do that as well. There is two thin stripes on this template, and I'm going to remove those first, and we're going to apply the glitter color Candy Cane. Now we're going to remove the rest of the sections of the template, and we're going to grab Vintage Christmas, and we're going to ombre the top and bottom, leaving the middle for that minty glitter. We're going to brush away the excess glitter on our tumbler, and then we're going to work on the bottom. Pick one of the colors from the pack. You could pick whichever one. I decided to do Candy Cane, and we're going to work on the bottom. I just apply that with a little bit of glitter glue around that base, and then sprinkle on the glitter. Spray seal or seal your tumbler with your favorite method. I usually use Krylon or Rust-Oleum triple thick, and then we're going to let that dry completely and add a layer of epoxy to our tumbler, and then we're just going to stripe it out. Another layer of epoxy and add your decal. I am going to use this one that was part of my mentorship group. You guys will get at least 4 hand lettered SVGs every single month. And then you also get a brand new tumbler template and a brand new pen template that coordinates so you can make a really cute matching set. I'm just going to take this candy cane lane SVG and we're gonna apply it to the bottom. Here is our tumbler all finished, and if you would like more information on how to join my mentorship group and snag all these cute SVGs and templates that I provide, there will be a link down in the description. Don't forget to like and subscribe.